What's up, guys? Here with the Hike Life Diet. Yes, this is a new series I'll be putting on my channel. Basically, it's all about getting your body ready for the hike. Getting your body to every day wake up feeling good about yourself, which I haven't been doing. I've got this belly on me. I've basically been slacking in my food choices, my exercise, all of it. And I don't feel good about myself when I wake up like that. And I know from past experience that when you put the right things in, you get the right things out. You're more energetic, you feel better about yourself, you get confidence in yourself, you just feel better all the way around. And it's time for me to start shedding some of these pounds and start feeling like the man that I know that I am. So that's why I'm gonna be eating these healthy foods. They're all laid out here on the table, but basically putting in the right things so that I can get the right things out of life. What's up, everybody? Today we're focusing on diet. That's right, packed on a few pounds here. So it's time to start focusing on what I'm eating, focusing on what I'm putting in the machine, and in return, what I'll get out of the machine. So today we're just gonna do a very quick, brief description of what I'll be eating today. I feel I'm waking up sore, I'm waking up overweight, and I'm looking in the mirror and I'm not liking what I'm seeing. So I'm going to change it. The only way to change the way you look and the way you feel is just to do something about it. So that's what I'm doing. Basically, here's what I'm eating today. Today's Monday. Boom, on Monday I'm gonna have 2 eggs. I've already started off with 2 eggs, but you know how it goes. I'll show you how to make the eggs. If you like, you can prepare them any way you like. You can have them scrambled, you can have them sliced up. Keep the yolks in there. If you're dieting properly, the yolks are not bad for you. So 2 eggs to start off with, then I'm gonna have a snack. I think my next snack would probably be yogurts and berries. That's a pretty good snack, and you just wanna have maybe 4 ounces of yogurt and a handful of berries, or you can do berries and nuts. In this particular one, I'm going to have yogurts and berries for my second meal. Then for lunch, I'm going to be having a salad. I can do either chicken salad, which I haven't prepped yet. Most of the time I'll be doing my prepping on Sunday. So I'll prep chicken salad for the week, probably 3 breasts with all the ingredients. I'll have a recipe for that for you. But today, because I haven't prepped yet, I'm going to have spinach with some veggies and just 2 tablespoons of dressing. This is the only one I could find. This was fat-free, sugar-free dressing. It's called Skinny Girl. I know they make a margarita. You know me, girl. I gotta get my Skinny Girl on. So a decent-sized salad, because it is your lunch and you need to sustain yourself. I will be eating every 2.5 hours. So after lunch, I'll be having another snack. That snack will probably consist of some carrots and maybe a little bit, 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing to dip them in. And I'll probably have a portion like that. You know, with portion sizes, I always want to have a protein about the size of my fist and a carb about the size of my fist. And I usually use a vegetable or a berry or fruit as a carb, and then a protein can be a nut or or your chicken salad or something along those lines. But really, it's mostly just about not overeating during the daytime and then having yourself a proper meal at night. So then after that snack, I will go with a chicken breast tonight. So I will have 1 chicken breast with asparagus, and I usually steam my asparagus, and then I'll have some sauteed vegetables. So I'm gonna do some peppers, onions, and then a little wilted spinach over top of that. So that will be my dinner tonight. And then if I'm still hungry after that, which I probably shouldn't be, but since it's the first day, you do have, your body's not used to adapting to the fewer amount of calories and the crappy food. So you will probably be hungry, and if I am hungry, then I will have a tortilla with peanut butter and honey on it, just one. I think the tortillas are about 100 calories. So these are 150 per, which I didn't know that. I usually get the 100 calorie kind. But anyway, there are 150 calories and then with peanut butter. So it will help to increase your calorie intake, but also giving energy that will feed you on for the next day. Because that's really what it's about. Whatever you put in today, you'll use the next day. Whatever you put in that day, you'll use the next day. And eventually your energies will start to increase as you get the crap out of your body. As you get the McDonald's cheeseburgers out of your body, and you start putting good healthy food in. So that's my Monday. That's what I'll be eating. So thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in. This is gonna be a really long process. I mean, I have this much weight on me, so in order for me to get it off, it's gonna be a day-to-day thing. I'm gonna have to wake up every day with the willpower to sustain this diet, to stay on track, stay focused, stay strong, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm not doing it for you, I'm not doing it for anybody else, I'm doing it for me. I like the way I feel when I'm 20, 30 pounds lighter. I actually have a goal of 35 pounds. I haven't weighed myself in a week or so, but I would guess I'm around 212 to 215 fluctuation. So I would like to be around 180. I mean, that's for my height, body type. The way I feel best is around 180. So that's my goal, getting to 180, and it's gonna be a long track. Stay with me. I'll be posting these videos up. I'll be posting my daily foods. I'll even show you preparations, recipes, things that I use that are a healthier way of cooking, a healthier way of doing it without all the salt, without all the high fructose corn syrup, sodium, all that good stuff, terrible stuff, all that terrible stuff. So here we go, Hike Life Diet. Wish me luck, guys. It's gonna be hard. I know the first week's the hardest. You're usually pretty hungry even if you're eating all these foods, but this is about, let me go over this. This is about a week's worth of food on this table. I don't know if you can see it all, but this is what I'll be eating for the week, plus a couple other things that I already had in the fridge. All of this cost me under $60. So I have 5 chicken breasts, I have 2 meals out of the ground beef, I've got vegetables, spinach, I've got all kinds of things here, but all of this cost me $59.20. So under $60 for all of it. Some of the expensive items were the nuts. And these aren't even the best nuts, but I did get the unsalted ones and the chicken and the ground beef. But other than that, these overripe avocados, underly ripe avocados. The other ones that they had were smushed, so I'll be waiting a couple days to make my guacamole for that. Anyway, you get the idea. Hike Life Diet. Boom!
Walking through the darkness right now. This is a grand example of where I'm at in my life. I'm walking forward into darkness and I have no flashlight, I have no headlamp, I have no idea of where I'm going. But I'm walking into the darkness and I'm moving forward. And it's scary. It's very scary. I wish I could say I knew what was ahead, but I don't. All I know is that if I stop, I'll be back there. And back there isn't where I want to be. Where I want to be is moving forward. And eventually I'll find light. If I was trapped in a cave, I would move forward. I would move somewhere. I would look for signs. And those signs would lead me to daylight. And that daylight would lead me to hope. And that's what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for hope.